Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Shazmel bin Muhammad Sabilan. I'm from University Sultan Zainal Abidin, Unisa Terengganu. Today, I would like to present and introduce our product for Minggu Penyelidikan dan Inovasi 2022. Our product title is about Gait-Based Gender Classification System using Depth Image. First, let me introduce our team member. Our project leader is Dr. Azim Zaliha binti Abdul Aziz. We have two team members, which is Dr. Nur Faili Zamanso and Muhammad Shazmel bin Muhammad Sabilan. Introduction. Gender is a major factor in identifying an individual. Therefore, technology to identify gender using various means has been developed over time. Existing gender classification technologies mostly use facial, dress, and voice recognition methods. It has been used for various purposes, including safety and in the field of health. It is very useful because it can help in identification of gender through this system. The method for this system is using depth camera to obtain the depth image, and the image will be processed by the system to classify the gender. If you look at here, we have depth camera, and from the depth camera, we extract the depth image, and the depth image will be processed by the web system that connected with the web system backend. In the web system backend, we have a few phases to be processed. The first one is pre-processing, compute, gate energy image, part definition, PCA algorithm. We obtain the features, we do the training, and then we do the classification. Novelty of the invention. To obtain new formula, new fusion formula to the classification of gender. This system also can help in the future, not only in the field of security, but also in the field of health. Security is an area in which gait-based gender classification using depth image can be very beneficial. For example, security in airport, bank, store, and others. A system that can recognize gender based on depth image from Kinect sensor. Uniqueness of the product. A new fusion formula that created will help the system to recognize gender more accurately. These have been achieved by combining the formula and the system code. Result obtained has been observed and the formula is adjusted to achieving high accuracy. Potential problem solved. Existing identification, which include face recognition and handwriting analysis, have raised questions in terms of reliability. Existing gender classification based on gait features using Kinect sensor have lags in accuracy result. There are so many cases in security that someone was pretend to be look alike their opposite gender in order to commit a crime. Commercial potentialities and readiness. To be smooth and effective in gender classification, this must be supported by proper software support. This project introduced a simulation or prototype gender classification using depth image from Kinect sensor. This prototype classified two types of gender, male and female, and the depth image is obtained from Kinect sensor. Contribution to society, green, clean, and sustainability. Gender classification using depth image can improve security, health, and education sector. For security, the system can detect gender spoofing and identify someone that pretend to look opposite gender and commit a crime. Researchers also can use this system to identify gender based on their own depth image data and do comparison with their method. Gender verification can be done digitally through camera and that connect to the system. Production cost or costing. This is the production cost for the system. Academic recognition for IPR. This is the paper for this project. The paper title is Leth-Gait, a fusion formula for gait-based gender classification using depth image. The author for this paper is our team members. Demonstrations. Now, let me do the demonstration for our system. This is our product system for gender classification, or we call it Gen class. From this homepage, user can look the information about this system. And for the first step, user must upload their own depth image. First, click upload. From here, we have upload button and the result. After user upload their depth image, and the result will be obtained here. Let me choose the depth image. We select the first image. Click open and submit. Wait for the result. The system is process the depth image and we can obtain the gender information. For this image, the gender is female. We choose another image. We submit and we wait for the result. The system has processed the depth image in the back end and we obtain a result male for their gender. The next button is about. This is section that explains about the system. Next, the detail for this classification. This is our demonstration to do the classification using that image. Thank you.